Hello guys, today I'm going to be teaching you what is Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a lightweight virtual machine. So it don't use a lot of your resources in your computer. It uses a fraction of them. So it uses around 30 GB of your storage and around 4 GB of your RAM. So in Windows 10, how to access Windows Sandbox? First, first type here turn on or off Windows features. Here, there we have turn Windows features on or off. Left click on it. Then you can see a window like this. Then you have to scroll down to the Windows Sandbox. Here is it, Windows Sandbox. You can see here that in my computer, this is this feature is on. As I have on it. So you can also on it by following these steps. After clicking on OK, you can see a screen of restart. You should restart your computer after turning on the Windows feature. Okay, now after restarting, actually I didn't restart my computer because I have already on my Windows Sandbox. If you're running it, you should restart it. Okay, type here that Sandbox. You can see here Windows Sandbox here. Run as click on Run as administrator. Click yes. Now we can see Windows Sandbox opening. In Windows Sandbox, you can only use the virtual machine of the operating system you currently have in your computer. This trick actually works for both Windows 10 and 11. Okay, now you can see a virtual computer inside my computer. It is pretty easy to use and access. You can use it for once, and after you close it, all the data you have used in the virtual machine will be lost. So you can do some testing or anything in this virtual machine. Okay, so if any important data was used in the virtual machine, please backup it. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Bye bye.